In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a folder in Outlook, attach folder. If you've ever tried to attach a whole folder and it wouldn't work, this is the quick, reliable way to do it with Outlook on the web. The key point up front: Outlook can attach a regular folder, so you'll be attaching a zipped version of that folder. If you don't already have a zip file prepared, create one on your computer so it's ready to pick during the attachment step. Start by going to outlook.live.com in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, make sure you're in Mail. If you happen to land in Calendar or another app, use the app switcher to open Mail so you can compose a message. Next, click New Mail to open a blank message. You'll see the Compose window with the To field, subject line, and the message area. At the top of this window, click Attach. This opens the attachment menu with a few choices. Choose Browse this computer so you can pick a file from your device rather than a cloud location. Your file picker will open. Navigate to where you saved the zipped folder. Remember, you're looking for the zip file that contains the folder you want to share. Select that zip file, then click Open. Outlook will upload the file. You'll see progress for a moment, and then the zip will appear beneath the subject line as an attachment. If the file is large, Outlook may automatically store it in the cloud and send it as a link, which is normal and helps with delivery. Now add your recipient in the To field. You can type their address or choose from your contacts if they appear as suggestions. Then type a clear subject so the recipient knows what's inside. For example, Project Assets, zipped folder. In the message body, you can add a short note telling them what's included and any instructions they might need to extract the folder contents after they download it. A few helpful tips as you finish up: keep your zip file name short and descriptive so the recipient can recognize it easily. If your zip is very large, consider removing unnecessary items before zipping to keep the size reasonable. Outlook handles common zip attachments well, but organizational policies may block certain file types inside a zip, so avoid including executables. And never put sensitive credentials inside the zip. That's it. You've gone to Outlook on the web, opened a new message, attached your zipped folder from your computer, added your recipient, and written a subject. Your email with the folder packaged neatly inside is ready to go.